times already?
Many, many times.
That's nice. Actually, welcome back also.
Thank you.
Also, welcome ginger, made of sugarcane, ginger, and lime,
Yeah.
also some cold taboo for you.
Lovely.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Hello, everyone. This is Anita C. So now I am at this property again, the Slate, which its position is quite close to the Phuket airport. But when you come here, it's definitely one of the best resort that I've stayed in Phuket. So I'm going to give you a room tour because this time I'm staying in the pool suite. So it's even more interesting. So let me give you a quick first take room tour. So on my right is actually a big walk-in closet or walk-in area, with slippers, with bathrobes, the slate, my luggage can be put here, the safe deposit box. I haven't opened the drawer. I don't think there's anything in there, so that is okay. And then with the mirror, so you can look at yourself before you go out. Okay, so actually, when you look at the decor of this hotel, it's a lot of the very raw and teen elements. That's the whole concept of this hotel. Of course, a lot of the landscape and design are done by Bill Bensley, which is the very famous designer especially for hotels. So you can enjoy all the artwork and everything in this hotel. But if you look at the details, the teen, because this one was like from the teen industry, and that's the whole concept and story of this hotel. Okay, so that's what I want to highlight because this is a design hotel and I love the element of this hotel. So this is a king size bed. Oh, a small gift from us. I didn't even look and open it. Okay, I will show you later what it is. Okay, so sustainability, of course, and then the nice comfortable pillow and the king size bed. And then this is the nice sitting area. The room size is not huge, so to speak, but it's really cozy. And I really like it, hardwood floor with the rugs and everything, and fresh flowers. It has, almost all the elements that I like. Okay, so here, over here, there's the espresso coffee machine. It's actually, okay, if you know, those are the more expensive brand or, capsules for coffee. And they use that, which is nice. The kettle, and then this is the mini bar. Again, in the tin can cart, in a tin cart. Okay, and then the mini bar, is chargeable, but at least it's fully stocked. Okay, good bottle of water, a handwritten welcome note. And I've been back at this hotel many, many times, so thank you very much for the welcome amenities, welcome gift with the brute, and then some sweets and fruits. Really, really appreciate it. And then you can see the table again, the design and everything is consistent with the theme. Okay, the television is up here if you want. And then you can also see, I'm zoomed in a little bit. Can you see that? Yeah, that is the whole design throughout this hotel with every details. Okay, so before I go out, I am going to show you the bathroom. Okay. So this is the toilet. Usually I skip the toilet, but this one is just too nice that I have to show you. Okay. And then this is the stand-up rain shower, which is very spacious with the towels here and the sitting bench here, and then double sink. And look at that. That's like a museum already. Okay, so if you want the bathtub, this is the bathtub. I'm going to show you from another door so you can see it more clearly. But this is pretty much what I am showing you from the room itself. And here you go. Okay, this is the outdoor part of my pool suite. You can see the signature black bathtub, like, although it doesn't have the crawl, but this is the kind of the king crawl design bathtub. And then again, the tin cart with the beach towels, as well as the bath foam and everything. Okay, and then on this part is the sitting area, and then a nice outdoor table to enjoy. And I have to show you this. Do you know what that is? It's the fan. Yeah. So it's very special. Oops, for this hotel. Sorry. Okay. And now this is the pool. So just want to show you how big the pool is. So it's definitely not a plunge pool. So people can actually swim here. And then, of course, you can lay down here and looking back to the room. Okay, so I'm going to have dinner here tonight at the Rivet. Actually, I have dinner at the Rivet long time ago, and then I'm always being attracted to the Black Ginger, which is one of the signature restaurants. But I'm going back to the Rivet this time for dinner, and definitely go to the Teens restaurant for breakfast tomorrow morning. So I will continue to show you. Oh, by the way, I have booked the spa, the Cocoon spa. Also, I did it before with my husband. It's being done in the nest. So I'm going to enjoy the spa, and I'm going to show you the very unique nest experience that I have for the spa experience I have at the Slate here in Phuket. So please continue to watch and follow me on this channel. Thank you.
You got it all inside.
Wow. So this is the nest.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice. Very unique. And now this is the changing room. With the toilet and the shower. So I change here in the safe deposit box. So I change here and then put on the bathrobe and then go back to the massage room.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. You make me move. You make me move.
This is complimentary dish, It calls smoked salmon with rocket on top, mango in the middle.
Are you having the same or? Yeah, you're having the same.
Ja, perché tu una tarta, ma? Okay.
Tuna tartare. Yeah, I have to show the pretty tuna. Ooh, okay.
It's
Two.
all marinated.
Oh, is it a sea bass?
No, it's no fish.
Oh,
It's all marinated. Slow.
one miso. Okay. Yeah, please. Nice. Thank you.
Maybe keep for the
Sure. Thank you.